The Junkers U-87 or Stuka, short for the German Sturzkampfflugzeug, meaning dive bomber, was one of the most iconic and feared aircraft of World War II's early stages. Known for its distinctive design and the terrifying wail of its siren, it played a key role in the Blitzkrieg campaigns. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and let's begin. Here are 20 short and simple facts about the Stuka. 1. Instantly recognizable by its inverted gull wings and fixed landing gear. 2. Designed as a psychological weapon to instill fear in enemies. 3. Jericho trumpets, sirens mounted on landing gear, created a horrifying wail during dives. 4. First combat in Spain, 1937, with the Condor Legion during the Spanish Civil War. 5. 3 Stukas dropped the first bombs of World War II on September 1, 1939, 11 minutes before Germany's declaration of war. 6. A Stuka pilot shot down a Polish fighter on September 1, 1939, achieving the war's first aerial victory. 7. Could perform near vertical dives with the exceptional bombing accuracy. 8. Automatic pull-up system prevented crashes if pilots blacked out during dives. 9. Highly vulnerable during the Battle of Britain due to slow speed and weak defenses. 10. Withdrawn from the Western Front after heavy losses in the Battle of Britain. 11. Remained effective in the Balkans, North Africa, Mediterranean, and early Eastern Front. 12. The U-87G variant was a tank buster armed with a 2 37mm cannons. 13. Hans Ulrich Rudel, the most decorated German serviceman of World War II, was a Stuka pilot. 14. Key to Blitzkrieg tactics, providing close air support for panzer columns. 15. Fixed landing gear made it rugged for rough field operations. 16. The first prototype U-87 V1 was powered by a British Rolls-Royce Kestrel engine. 17. Operated with a 2-man crew, pilot and a rear gunner / radio operator. 18. Approximately 6,000 U-87s were produced between 1936 and August 1944. 19. Only 2 complete Stukas survive today. One at the RAF Museum, London. One at the Museum of Science and Industry, Chicago. 20. Remained in service till war's end, outlasting Ernst Udet, who championed the dive bomber concept. Thanks for watching with us, and stay tuned for more.